Okay children, now and the previous problem I explained you how to prove that under root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta equal to cosecant theta plus cot theta. The second problem is going that if you observe under root of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, it should be equal to cosecant theta minus cot theta. What is the difference between the first one and second one? Here the numerator plus is there, here the numerator minus is there, the denominator minus is there, here it is will be plus is there, but there we proved plus sign is there, here we got it minus. Because of here, if you observe, let us see the second problem. Root of 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta is equal to cosecant theta minus cot theta. What do you notice here? We should take first solution. LHS under root of 1 minus cos theta we have to take divided by 1 plus cos theta. We must take LHS, we have to prove RHS. So very important problems. This is prove that, you can write prove that. Prove that, it is the meaning of prove that, I will write here. Okay, now same as previous how we have done, same as like that we have to follow. So here denominator plus is there, we have to change the sign, minus, the term is same. 1 and cos theta is similar, the sign will be changed here. So we have to write rationalize numerator and denominator by 1 minus cos theta, it should be under root. So we must be rationalize, that means we have to divide both numerator and denominator root of 1 minus cos theta, or we can write multiply by 1 minus cos theta to numerator and denominator. So we have to write under root of 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta, multiply root of 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta root. I told you we have to apply the formula root A into root B, one formula. Then I have written directly here, this will be right separate root and this will be right separate root. Okay. So next one, root of this is as it is 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta, you write as it is, and this we have to write under root of 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. We have applied this formula, which one? Root A by root B is nothing but we can write root of A by B. That formula we applied. Next one, we have to multiply root A into root B is nothing but root of AB. We have to write this. So we should write under root of 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta write as it is, divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. We can write that 1 minus cos squared theta, or we can write in the bracket 1 square minus cos squared theta, or we can write 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. The root will be same for numerator and denominator. The next step should be so which is a minus b into a minus b. Previously I told you, for example, x into x, we can write x square, like that. Okay. So same as 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta whole square, and this is what? A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, divided by, so 1 square minus cos squared theta, we can write root. So next step 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by 1 minus cos square theta. This is you have to remember. Okay. So next step, what is coming? Let us see. I told you here 1 minus cos square theta we can write as sine square theta. One formula is there. According to that, you must be right. So wherever it is 1 minus cos square theta, we can substitute sine square theta. So therefore 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by sine square theta. Now this root we have to, this square we have to apply both numerator and denominator. What is coming? 1 minus cos theta divided by sine theta. Okay, whole square. So I can cancel root and square, cancel there. What is coming there? 1 minus cos theta divided by sine theta. So we must split this numerator and denominator. What is coming? From this 1 by sine theta minus cos theta by sine theta. We know the formula, cosecant theta, its reciprocal is 1 by sine theta. If you want, we can write there cosecant theta is equals to cosecant theta is equals to 1 by sine theta reciprocal, and next cot theta formula is, we can write cos theta by sine theta, and that we have to apply in the place of that. 1 by sine theta is nothing but cosecant theta, and cos theta by sine theta is nothing but cot theta. So that we have to write here cosecant theta minus cot theta. What do you observe? Therefore LHS is equals to RHS. That means we can write here under root of 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta is nothing but cosecant theta minus cot theta. that is LHS is equals to RHS. It is proved. Okay. So I hope you understand, and very important concept this for 2 marks and 1 mark. Please remember and follow it. Right? Thank you.